one piece of advice will transform the marks you get in any practical skills question. It is completely normal to struggle with what to actually write when you're asked to describe a practical. Most people just freeze, but having been a physics teacher for 5 years, here is my top tip with the easiest thing to start off your answer with. And it works every time. If there is a relevant equation for the practical, write it down and rearrange it for the variable you are looking for. Let's give you an example. For example, let's say the question is to find the density of this rock. Your first line should be the equation density is equal to mass divided by the volume. And that equation is your anchor for the rest of the question. Because now what you do is you look at the variables in the equation. In this case, you've got mass of rock and volume of rock. And you structure the rest of your answer on how you are going to find each one. And by using that equation first, that is the backbone of a clear, examiner-friendly answer. From there are loads of other steps, and I like to think of it as a checklist. For example, have you mentioned the equipment you're going to use? Have you mentioned how to reduce errors in your experiment? And then, of course, there's the question of what if your experiment doesn't have a relevant equation to anchor your answer on? Well, this is exactly what I break down in my October Practical Skills for GCSE Physics Masterclass. It's one part of 5 of my masterclasses that are all happening during October half term. And this week, you can get an early bird offer. That is, if you comment October, I will give you £5 off every single one of these masterclasses. And I'm not done there. If you'd like to attend all 5 for just this week, I will give all of them to you for £40.